I fucking love Disney World. I once stayed, when we played in LA, I once stayed at Disneyland. Well, I tried to stay at Disneyland. I had a diva moment. The floors were pretty sticky. And I went and crashed at a friend's house in Orange County instead. But last time I was in Florida, I came on my own, and I went to Disney World on my own, ladies and gents. Probably the best day of my life. It was like when spring break and retirement meet. And it was perfect. It was a perfect day. I got all the photos, just me on the bike on Tron, you know. All 4 parks in one day, it's quite a feat. Walt and Roy would be proud. So, I'm fucking beat today. You know, you have half a man in front of you. But I got my priorities right. So, when in Florida, I'm also wasted right now. I don't have any money left. When in Florida, right? How fucking great is medium build, ladies and gents? We're having a great time. We're gonna sing an easy one. You can sing it with us.